No. No.
Bank of England echoed the
I saw that one at the cinema, actually.
Mate, that's the news.
Change of emphasis in the Brexit process.
Yeah, no. Oh, guys, look, it's supposed to be a millionaire, look. Oh, go on.
In children's stories, how many wishes are traditionally granted by a genie or a fairy? 1, 2, 3, 4.
The first questions are always so obvious. It's clearly C.
Hey.
That's the right answer. You have £100. Question number 2 is for 200. Complete TV presenter David Dickinson's famous catchphrase, cheap as cheddar, chowder, chips.
Oh, come on. It's cheap as...
We'll let Luke answer it.
Come on, Luke. The answer is
I don't know why I'm doing this accent. Because the answer's obvious to all of us. Seeing as the answer is actually D. Do you want to answer this one?
E.
I'm starting to get it now. But if anything, it's too easy.
Oh God, he's regressing.
Could you just give me a moment, please? Duh! It's so obvious.
I think he shit himself. Oh no, it's just a brain aneurysm.
Hell.
He's totally lost it.
I think I'll just take the money if you don't mind.
Fair.
100 quid, please. Lovely. Well, I'll see you lads later. Just yeah. Just,
See ya.
yeah. Okay. See ya. Yeah.